Hello, I'm HG, a spokesperson for this channel. Welcome. Gingham's having a moment, my lovelies. It always comes back. Today our video is about the timelessness of the gingham one-piece swimsuit. And what better way to show it than have our timeless beauties on the catwalk. This retro-inspired print is making a major comeback, and it's the perfect way to add a touch of vintage charm to your beach or pool looks. Whether you're lounging by the water or soaking up the sun, this gingham number is guaranteed to turn heads. And our mature beauties know it. The best part? This timeless pattern works for every body type and never goes out of style. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the gingham obsession and make this swimsuit your go-to for standout summer fashion. Just like these natural older beauties. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and look forward to more videos similar to this one, we encourage you to do the following: subscribe, watch more of our content, ring the notification bell and share our content across your social media accounts. Thank you. Until we meet again. Toodles.